Can you spell the word cat?
Sound it out. K-at, k-at, k-at. Do you see the letter hiding behind the yellow square?
Yes!
It's the letter C.
The word cat starts with the letter C. Do you see the letter hiding behind the red square?
It's the letter A.
CA says cat, cat. The last letter in the word cat is hiding behind the pink box. Do you know what it is?
It's the letter T.
Yay! You found all the letters. C-A-T spells cat.
Can you spell the word dog?
First, let's sound it out. D-og, d-og, d-og. Do you see the letter hiding behind the pink square?
Yes!
It's the letter D.
That's right. The word dog starts with the letter D. Can you see the letter hiding behind the neon green square?
Yes, Miss ABCD. It's the letter O.
We have D-O. What's the final letter in the word dog? Can you hear that letter sound? G, g, dog. What's the letter?
I know. It's the letter G.
You got it, friends. D-O-G spells dog. Good job.
D-O-G, dog. C-A-T, cat.
Thank you for watching, friends. Bye.